Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can disable direct message on Instagram. Since these days we have so many social networks, strangers whom you don't want popping in your DMs, can be muted. So in order to high up your privacy, simply open your Instagram. Then go on the menu button. And now after having it, click on the three buttons on the top right corner, then go on settings. Then after getting this results, go on notifications. Then click on messages. Then after getting this results, you will see that there's so many type of messages to mute, so simply if you want to mute them all, simply go on every type then turn it off. And from now on no one will send you a message and have you seeing it, and so you can always come back here to turn it on again. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.